How to factory reset iPhone. Today, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone by going through the settings. Now, the first thing that we have to do is locate the settings icon. And on my phone, if you look to the lower right-hand corner of the screen in front of you, there is the settings icon. It's right next to the wallet icon and below the app store icon. So I'm going to go ahead and select the settings icon, and it brings me to the settings menu, settings page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and locate general. On this screen, it's right below screen time and right above control center. So I'm going to go ahead and select general, and it brings me to a page, the general page. And what I'll have to do is scroll completely to the bottom, and at the very bottom it shows a couple of selections. There is the transfer or reset selection. It is right above the shutdown selection. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And when I select that, it gives me options. Okay, it says prepare for new phone, make sure everything is ready to transfer to new iPhone, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to back up. So if that applies to you, you might want to check that out. Now, let's look towards the bottom. At the bottom, it says selections of reset and erase all content and settings. Now, if you want to erase all content and settings, go ahead and select that. That will prepare your phone for a new owner of your phone, as well as just completely put everything back to the way it was when you got it. There is also a reset selection where you can reset a lot of selections such as reset all settings, reset network settings, reset keyboard dictionary, reset home screen layout, and reset location and privacy. Now, this is probably not what you're looking for if you want a complete factory reset. So let's cancel out of that. And if you want a complete factory reset the way your phone was when you first purchased your phone, you'll probably want to go to erase all content and settings, which is at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and select on that. And when you select on that, you're going to have to go ahead and continue, and then it's continue at the bottom of the page, and then you'll have to enter in your password. And after you enter your password, you press continue, and your phone will complete the factory reset. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.